So farming Zen Airdrop is pretty simple, and in this video I will show you all the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm this Zen Airdrop. Now with regards to the funding received by Xion, they have received around 36 million funding, and this funding is from big investors like Circle is there, Injective is there, Checkout, and few others. Now in order to farm this airdrop, you will need to set up an account on Xion. So you can use my referral link, it really supports my channel. Now once you set up an account over here, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to complete this welcome campaign over here. So basically you will need to go ahead and connect your Twitter and Discord, and you have to go ahead and mint this welcome NFT. Now once you do that, the second step that you have to do is you will need to complete the staking campaign. So once you go over to testnet.staking.burnt, on the top at the start you will get the option to actually get like one Xion token as faucet. Now please note that this is testnet token and not the actual token. Now you will need to wait another 1 day in order to claim one more Xion token. Now once you have like around 2 Xion tokens, all you can do is you can select any validators from this list over here, and you have to delegate like 0.5 Xion tokens for each validators. So minimum you have to select 3 validators. So as you can see, if once you complete this, you would be able to go ahead and mint this secure NFT. Now once you do that, there is something called as a referral campaign. Now if you have some friends whom you can invite, you can go ahead and invite them and mint this referral NFT. Now this build campaign is coming soon, so you have to keep a tab on it as to when it will be coming. Now the next thing that you can do is you can go and actually mint account abstraction or proof of abstraction NFT over here. So as you can see, I have already minted this one, and if you are lucky you would be like getting the whitelisted. So winners are whitelisted every week. Now there is something called as a BetFi gaming. So all you have to do is you will need to BetFi gaming over here, and you will need to click on faucet, click on claim. Now once you click on claim, you have to play this roulette game. You can place your bets over here. So as you can see, you can go ahead and place your bets and complete this. And the second step is like you will need to at least like put $25 worth of price prediction. Please note that this $25 is testnet, it's not the real money. So you can go ahead and place your bets over here. Now once you complete that, you would be able to mint this BetFi gaming NFT. Now the next step that you can do is you can go to Aeroscraper over here, and the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to create a trove. So simply go ahead over here, get some trove tokens or AST tokens for absolutely free, deposit minimum of 1000 AST over here. Now once you deposit this, so we'll wait for this transaction to complete. So it's taking a bit of time. Okay, it's done now. So once you deposit, all you have to do is you will need to go to borrow over here and borrow AUSD. So once again we'll wait for it to load. Now I will show you exactly what you can do with this AUSD. Now once you have this AUSD, you have to go to stability pool over here and go ahead and deposit this AUSD. Now once you complete this, you would be able to go ahead and mint this Aeroscraper NFT over here. Now the next step is you have to go to Moisiki and basically secure your Moisiki handle over here. So you can type in any random name and go ahead and secure your handle. So once you invite like 2 friends of yours, then you would be able to go ahead and claim this handle. And then you can go ahead and mint this early bird NFT. And the price prediction I have already told you, this was in BetFi games over here, where you can actually do a minimum of $25 worth of price prediction on this, and then you would be able to go ahead and mint this NFT. Now apart from doing all these steps, you can go to Galxe campaigns over here, and as you can see currently they have these 2 campaigns that are going on. you can go ahead and complete these campaigns over here. So it's basically simple campaigns where you will need to follow them on Twitter, join their Discord and Telegram. So this is how you can go ahead and farm the Xion token airdrop for now. And the funding, to be honest, is pretty decent. It's 36 million funding, and this would be a decent airdrop. And plus it's a L1, so there are a lot of chances that there might be potential additional airdrops in the future on the Xion network. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.